Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the Switch Pro or Joy-Con with a high-quality USB-C cable. This is the only reliable way to pair for full input fidelity. Once connected, make sure Windows has installed the controller driver automatically. If not, run Windows Update and reboot. Also, disable onboard Bluetooth if you plan to use the wired path, because interference can confuse device enumeration. Do this quickly so Windows recognizes the controller as a standard HID device and prepares it for mapping. With the controller detected, open Steam Big Picture or a trusted mapping app like DS4 Windows to translate inputs. Steam supports Pro Controller natively for many games. Once you add the controller in the app, calibrate axes and set dead zones so sticks feel responsive. Test buttons and triggers in the configuration utility. If you need gyro or touchscreen emulation, enable those options in the mapping layer. Make sure to save a profile per game. This keeps sensitivity and layout consistent across titles. Finish by launching a game and verifying every control. Open the controller diagnostic tool to confirm axes and buttons register correctly. If you observe input lag or missing buttons, switch the cable and try a rear USB port. Prefer USB 3. 0 ports on the motherboard. Sometimes a powered hub helps. If the device still misbehaves, reinstall the HID driver, reboot, and update controller firmware if available. Quick tip: try another PC to isolate hardware faults. This single test often reveals cable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.